Okay, we started recording as well. So what I was talking, what are the different clauses of the select statement or in SQL language? Select from is mandatory, where is optional. Beside that we have group by, having, and we have order by as well. So these are the some important clauses of the select statement. Till date we have seen the select from and where. So you are aware of it, right? So let me take one more time the select statement, the simplest one. Say EMP where clause where DPT number is not null. I'm just putting one condition. So in this in this query, if you see, let me format it for you, so it will look more decent for you guys. This is the way we should write the query. So first thing for this we covered till date, but for covering the group by clause in a SQL statement, we need what we need. We need to cover the single row function and multiple row function. And yesterday we already covered single row function and multiple row function. Now how to cover the group by clause? Say I want to select sum of salary from EMP I will get. But I want sum of salary department wise. So I will put here department number, and when I'm selecting it, it is not allowing me to select. It is giving me error, not a single group function. So here one more clause comes in picture. That what is that clause? Is a group by clause. Whenever we are using the combination of the group function, we are grouping it with any column name in that same table. At that time, we need to use group by function. If I select it with a group by function, I can see this query properly. I can use it properly. So group by is a clause that allow me to group aggregate function with other column name. Why we need group by function? Very simple. See, when I'm grouping department number, I'm grouping all salary, I'm summing all salary under the department number. Suppose here I'm again saying order by DPT number. So sum is a multiple row group function. So sum of salary I want to see department wise. So when we do that, as I said, when I'm writing the simple query like this, I want to say sum of salary from employee table. I can see it, but I want it department number wise. So when I'm putting this column here, it is giving single group function. It's a error. So what I need to use this next clause group by department number. And when I'm putting the group by clause here, let me put this query one more time. I can put one more thing here. I will just say I don't want this. I will order by it, so I can get order by. But someone put null number here, so it is giving null data as well. So I will put one more clause here. That is a where clause. Department number is not null, and I will get the precise data. So group by function is a thing. When I wrote here select item, form item, where item. So group by function or group by clause is a thing when we use the aggregated function with that aggregated function like a sum, like an average, in combination with other column name, we need a group by function. Because if we group by the all data set with this column name, then only it will allow me to execute the query. Otherwise, it will won't execute me, allow me to execute the query. But now again, I want to do one more thing here. Here I will say total cell, like a total. I will rename the how we treat. I will rename it. So definitely here I get some decent name total cell. Now what I want, I don't group function is not allowed here. So I will rename it total cell and I will try to use that alias. Whether it is because of that, no, it is still giving me error. So definitely aggregate function are something that we cannot use in a where class. We cannot use in a where clause. So at that time what we need to use, we need to use one more clause. If I want to put filter condition on group function, not normal column. So I need to use one more clause here having sum of cell